Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Light. How are you? I hope you're good. So, I'm having a pretty good day. I spent the morning with all you guys doing steampunk ornaments, and then I went out to breakfast with my daughter and my granddaughter and Scott, and then Demon and I went to Dollar Tree. So this is a Dollar Tree haul. And this morning, if you guys watched my live, I made the little steampunk ornaments. These are little hats, and then I did the little snowflakes. I did the little snowman. So I'm running around the Dollar Tree, and I saw this. I'm going to do me a steampunk sled. I'm going to take that off, and I'm going to steampunk this baby right up. So, now to the rest of the Dollar Tree stuff. So, where's my bag? Okay. So, I love using these little figures. And the one store I went to didn't have the little lights or the bench the other day. No, they did today. And I bought more Santa Clauses, or not Santa Claus, the little wagon and the guy holding the wood and the kid. Didn't have the one I wanted with the little girl though. Oh, I'm trying to find. I got stuff. I got stuff. I bought some stuff. Trying to get it all in order here. Ah! I know I bought some more of those. Hey, this is me not being organized. Oh, right here. I bought Santa and the Snowman again because I use him a lot. Right. So I got those. I use them in all sorts of stuff. Where's this bag? Okay. And I bought each one of my grandbabies cups. I think these are cool. And one day next week, Diamond's going to come in and Diamond does the vinyl on the Cricut. I don't know. I like my Cricut, but the Cricut don't like me. I can do like the die cuts and all that, but when it comes to the vinyl, it gets confusing. So we are going to cut some vinyl, and I'm going to put their names going a long way or somewhere on here. And they're each going to have a cup. And they're so cute. They had snowmans too, but Diamond said we'll do all three so there's no fighting. So we got the 3 cups. And Diamond bought me something. She surprised me. I didn't even see them. She bought me some truck towels. They didn't have the hot pads. I don't even know if they have a oven mitt or hot pads that match them. But she picked me up some little towels that match the barn plate that I found. That she found for me, I should say. She found me the 2 plates. I wish I could find 2 more of them. That'd be cool. So, got them. My daughter, she always does that. Surprises me. And then I have stuff for the girls' stockings, but I didn't have stuff for quotas. So I picked them up this launcher with 2 mystery discs. Got them that one. And then I got them this. And then I got them 2 of these for it. And they're squishy shots. So I'm thinking, I don't know. So that's going into his St. Nick stuff because the girls already have their stuff. They don't have it, but I had it. So that's for the stockings for the kids. Yeah, St. Nick comes in Anna's too. It always did it for me, so I do it for my grandkids. I was almost out of black paint. Picked up some more black paint. And then got me and Riley some fingernail polish remover. As you can see, I was out. And then I bought a combo of these the other day at Walmart. They hang stuff up for Christmas, and I like these. I highly recommended these. I mean, I paid $1 a piece for a combo pack at Walmart was $8, but I just wanted a few on hand because I want to put some stuff up on my cupboard in here. So I grabbed a few of those. Stay. Then this is for a project I'm going to be doing. I hope I bought enough. I picked up some Easels. I think I got what 6 of them. 6 of them should be plenty. I got 6 of those. And then I've been seeing everybody haul these, and then I saw Dawn showed me them, so I thought an idea. I found them. They're the hair Spinos. So I got silver ones, gold ones, and then this one gold have stars. This gold has the like feathers, and then this silver one has wings, and this silver one has like teardrops. And then I got some colored blue ones. It looks like a peach one. And there's another pack of these somewhere. And they had these like little hair beads. And I have another pack that's plain. I thought they'd make good for spacers. I don't know where it is. It's somewhere. But there's no design to the other one. It's just gold. I showed the girls earlier. It probably got tossed somewhere on my table. Oh, no. See, I ain't done. And I bought me some truck tissue paper. And that is my haul. All. That's it. So I want to thank you for watching. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.